Here we are, back at Disney, but we aren't at Fort Wilderness this time. Today we're staying at the Pop Century Resort. Alright, we made it to the Pop Century, and let me tell you, what a drive. So the hotel is one of those motel-style hotels, but it is a Disney resort, so there is on-property restaurant with great breakfast, lunch, and dinner available. So we're here. Should we go check out the room, see what it's all about? The rooms are quite nice and have great amenities like a fridge and several days worth of coffee. Watch out for the mini fridge though, as they don't get quite cold enough to keep food in. They're really just for drinks. We paid about $250 for the room during a race weekend, and it was a great value compared to the other resorts on property. One of the best parts of the resort are the giant themed areas. That could be anything from a giant laptop, the biggest big wheel, or the biggest foosball table you've ever seen. The food at the resort is good, but it's basically cafeteria food. But I don't mean that in a bad way. We enjoyed our bagel sandwiches every morning, and you could get in and out of there really quickly. That said, the resort is huge and it can take some time to walk all the way across it. It doesn't get much better than this. So we're off to the Skyliner. It's actually about a half a mile walk from our building, which is Building 8, the 90s building. So if you're planning on going to the parks by the Skyliner, count on it being a little bit of a walk. If you're enjoying the video, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. So the Skyliner really makes the outlying resorts way more accessible to the parks. We're actually going from the Pop Century all the way over to the boardwalk at Epcot. So if you don't know it, the boardwalk is a fun place to go around. There's bars and restaurants and things like that, or even you can get into the back entrance of Epcot itself there. Why don't we make a pit stop someplace we've never been on the way? Since we're here, why don't we go check out the Riviera Resort? It's a Disney Vacation Club place, but I think they'll let us in. Bar Riva looks like a great place to stop before we head out to the boardwalk. I think the Skyliner's closed. We'll stay here for a little while. Pretty good dinner spot. It's a little early, but I'm kind of feeling like this is the place. So I'm just gonna say it. Nobody likes a rainy day at Disney, but I am glad we had a rainy day because I would have never tried those wings if we had not had a rainy day here. If you love wings, you have got to stop by here and try those wings. With that, it's time to head out. We'll catch you next time here at the Weekend Experience.